Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another edition of 2 Scoop News. And the World Health Organization has held a meeting in Geneva just now, and they have declared the Zika virus to be a public health emergency of international concern. They say the declaration is warranted because of how fast the virus is spreading and its suspected link, to babies being born with small heads. Other factors that contributed to the declaration include the large area in which the virus is spreading, the lack of vaccination, and the fact that there's lack of immunity in the area in which it is spreading. So there you have it, friends. The Zika virus has now been declared an emergency. So what do? Pray your heart out. And also get as much information as you can. So if you want to know about the Zika virus and how serious it is, then keep watching. According to the World Health Organization, the Zika virus is spreading explosively in the Americas, with officials estimating around 3 to 4 million infections in the region over a 12-month period. The lack of immunity to the virus and the fact that the mosquitoes that carry it can be found almost everywhere in the Americas explains the speed of the virus's spread. So how does it spread? Well, a mosquito will bite an infected person and then fly around and bite someone else. However, some 80% of those infected with the virus never know they have it. They don't show symptoms. However, for pregnant women, this can be serious. Cases of Zika involving pregnant women can result in their babies being born with abnormally small heads and skulls, resulting in brain damage and sometimes even death. This has led officials in Colombia, Jamaica, and El Salvador, among other countries, to advise their women not to get pregnant so long as the Zika threat remains. Some countries are also advising their women to plan their pregnancies and to try to avoid getting pregnant within the next 2 years. Authorities are also focused on containing the Aedes mosquito species, which spreads the virus. That type of mosquito can be found in the US, though as of Thursday there have been no cases of the disease being transmitted in the country. All of the Zika cases in the US have been contracted elsewhere in the Western Hemisphere. So how do you keep yourself from being infected? Well, health officials say you should wear long sleeve clothing, use bug spray with DEET, and get rid of standing water. Also, these mosquitoes hate air conditioning, so if it's hot, turn on the AC. But yes, friends, this seems to be very serious. We hope that this situation will be contained as soon as possible and that a cure or an antidote can be found rather quickly. And we know that Brazil is also a place where the Zika virus is spreading. The Summer Olympics is going to be held there, so I hope that they do take care of that situation before that place gets filled with all sorts of people from all over the world. But anyways, let's hear from Melanie on mobile.
Wow, guys, Zika, even worse than West now. This actually allows me to reflect upon, like, in the Word of God, where someone that had a dire disease like leprosy, they had to stay far from them. But now, just looking at it, this Zika disease, you don't even know if you have it. At this very moment, it could be in you and you don't even know. And plus, there's no cure. Well, in the Word of God, it says, "Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. Yes, I will help you. I'll uphold you with my righteous right hand." It's only God alone that can help us, not man. For we must have our confidence in Him and not in ourselves. You guys, this is just one of the signs of the coming of Jesus Christ. Just one of the things that are to come, the beginning of sorrows. Brethren, I just want to encourage you, share this video with someone you know. Continue to keep your eyes upon Jesus. Thumbs up this video if it's been informative to you. And comment down below. Let us know what's on your mind. What do you think about this story? Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And thank you for those who've already done this. This is Melanie Mullings, 2 Scoop News. God bless.